We can hope for a cracking match today. No run. Such a beautiful knock.
And that's 4. Using his feet superbly, lovely shot.
No better way to start an innings. A wide delivery. Bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery.
Oh, what a shot.
A 6 off the over's last ball. A good over for the batting team. And a couple more runs. What a hit! Absolutely magnificent. A confident appeal from the bowling team. Turned down by the umpire. And a couple more runs. What a hit! Absolutely magnificent. A wide delivery. It's in the air. And he's gone.
Oh, what a shot. That was a huge 6. What a powerful shot.
New to the ground. Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Gone. A brilliant catch. He's gone for it.
He's got it! He's got it!
Another wicket gone. No ball. A confident appeal from the bowling team.
But turned down by the umpire. It's a free hit. Poor timing.
4 runs. A wide delivery. That's a big one. 6 runs to end the over. What a hit! Absolutely magnificent. That's a big one. Into the stands. What a hit! Into the stands. He goes for the big one.
Poor timing.
A huge target. The batsman will have to fire on all cylinders to secure the match. Huge!
That was a huge 6. What a powerful shot.
The batsman's off the mark with those runs. It's in the air. 4 runs. That's a big one. The ball was sailing to the stands. What a hit! 6 runs. It's in the air.
Another 4.
What a hit! 6 more runs to end the over. That was an expensive over. What a hit! 6 runs. The batsman's off the mark with those runs. What a hit! 6 runs. Fielders are making their move in the ground. And a couple more runs. That's a big one.
And that's a 6. A massive one.
Huge! Absolutely magnificent.
Poor timing.
4 runs to end the over. Batsman would be very pleased with that over. Sweetly timed. That's gone away in a flash. Ball's been lifted off the grounds.
One bounce and over the fence.
Sweetly timed. A 6.